Good afternoon. For WICB News, I'm Michael Memes. 30,000-person efficacy trial of the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine shows a 94.5% efficacy rate, confirming the company's initial data release from 2 weeks ago. The study also showed a 100% efficacy against severe cases of COVID-19. Moderna applied today for emergency use from the FDA. The company also plans to test the vaccine on people between the ages of 11 and 17 sometime in December, and people under 11 next year. The Supreme Court continues to hear arguments in a case that will decide whether illegal immigrants will count towards this year's census. Illegal immigrants had previously counted towards the census, but President Trump has pledged to remove undocumented immigrants from the census count. The decision would not only affect the amount of representatives some states get in Congress, but also how the $1.5 trillion the government gives annually is distributed. A Sri Lanka prison riot has left at least 8 prisoners dead and 50 wounded. The clash was mainly due to the rising coronavirus cases in the country's prisons due to overcrowding and lack of testing. Protests have been going on in prisons throughout the country in the past couple of weeks. The New York 22nd congressional district race between incumbent Democrat Anthony Brindisi and Republican challenger Claudia Tenney is neck and neck. Tenney currently leads by 12 votes after Herkimer County revised its final unofficial count, which netted her 35 votes. However, this race is far from over, with more counting the ballots still to come. This race is significant, with the Democrats' majority in the House of Representatives narrowing in the 2020 election, and them likely losing more seats due to redistricting. A COVID-19 outbreak at Oak Hill Nursing Home has left 3 dead, as well as 39 residents and 13 staff members infected. This is the largest cluster of infection in Tompkins County so far, and it's led to the New York State Department of Health to handle contact tracing instead of the Tompkins County Department of Health. The Tompkins County Health Department announced yesterday that there was potential public exposure to COVID-19 at TCAT Route 23 at 6 p.m. last Wednesday and at Ithaca Ale House between 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. last Friday. The department recommends that people at those areas during those times get tested at Cayuga Health Sampling Site, which is open weekdays from 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m., except for Cornell students, who should contact Cornell Health. People also should monitor their health for any symptoms, even if they test negative. There are currently 179 active cases of COVID-19 in Tompkins County, with 4 resident deaths as of yesterday evening. Nationally, the U.S. has almost 13.5 million confirmed cases of COVID-19, with over 265,000 confirmed deaths. For more local news and community stories, tune into Ithaca Now this Sunday night at 7 and hear more on wicb.org/news. Now taking a look at your central New York weather. Tonight, a chance of showers with lows in the low 40s. Tomorrow, a chance of showers with highs in the mid 40s. Tomorrow night, a chance of rain and snow showers with lows in the low 30s. And Wednesday will likely be snow showers and rain with highs in the high 30s. For WICB News, I'm Michael Memes.